Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create smooth velocity editing using Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to create a new project, and for the video, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and we can click on add to import the video to our Capcut project. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how we can create velocity editing using this video. We can select the video and we can go to the speed menu. Okay, then I'm going to click on the curve, and then you can choose the custom curve, select edit, and then you can follow my curve. Right, like this, and you can add more dots. Okay, if you want to add the dots, just click on this add bead. Okay, and I'm going to add bead again right here. Okay, then you can follow my curve. Basically, you just need to make up and down curve. Okay, again, you can keep adding the curve, the dots, until you get what you want. Okay, like this. And to make it smoother guys, you can apply the smooth slow motion, but wait, let me finish my dots. Okay, and here. Okay, and one more dot. Okay, and I'm going to check it, but wait, I'm going to apply the smooth slow motion. I'm going to choose the faster process and click on the check mark and hold on. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay, and actually guys, you can apply the auto velocity if you want. If you want to apply the velocity, the auto velocity, you can go to the speed menu and select the velocity effect. But if you want to use this effect, you need to add audio to your project. I'm just going to select this audio and then go to the speed. Oops, sorry. Speed, go to the speed for the video. Okay, and then select velocity effect, and you can choose the velocity here. I'm just going to use the flash velocity. And okay guys, that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.